Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Arjuna Uvacha Matanugrahaya Paramam Guhyamadhyatmasamnitam Yatvayoktam Vachastena Mohoyam Vigato Mama. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11.1. Arjuna Uvacha Madanugrahaya Paramam Guhyamadhyatmasamnitam Yatvayoktam Vachastena Mohoyam Vigatam Mama. Mad Anugrahaya Paramam Guhyam Adhyatma Samyitam Yatvayoktam Vachastena Mohoyam Vigato Mama. Arjuna is saying, Mad Anugrahaya Paramam Guhyam Adhyatma Samyitam. To show Anugraha on me, Guhyam Adhyatma Samyitam. Guhyam is confidential. The confidential spiritual subject matters. So in order to show me favor, the confidential subject matters, confidential spiritual subject matters. Yatvayoktam vachastena. As you speak, O Lord, mohoyam vigato mama. My illusion has been dispelled. I am free of illusion now. So by your mercy, as you speak about this confidential spiritual subject matters, my illusion is dispelled. Arjuna is saying this. So Sri Bhagavan spoke the 10th chapter. Before that was the 9th. So by this time, Bhagavan has spoken about himself, especially after the Chaturshloki Bhagavad Gita. So the Bhagavad Tattva, the Bhakti Tattva is all now spoken. And Arjuna is saying, my illusion is gone now. Now that you have spoken this confidential matters, the Tattva is a confidential matter. Tattva that was spoken as a confidential matter. Confidential is Guhyam. Though when Bhagavan is saying that everything comes from him, everything is in him, So Bhagavan is actually speaking about himself, the reality about himself. So he is speaking. Um, just because Bhagavan is speaking, all those who are hearing this, it doesn't mean that they are having an understanding in a realized way. Uh, it is spoken and it is heard, more like an FYI. But the realization is not there, though heard. Uh, so that is knowing but not realizing is, yeah, FYI known but not realized. That mm, so that is a general hearing. It's more like even when tattva is spoken, it is understood as general hearing, but it did not descend into the heart. That's what generally happens. When it descends into the heart and one has this realized knowledge, then it is known that the confidential knowledge is realized. So a knowledge becomes a realized knowledge by mat anugrahaya paramam, by the anugraha, by the mercy, by the mercy. So the knowledge anybody can hear, but if the same hearing is actually making one realize it, then it is to be known that there is mercy. It's the mercy that has allowed for that realized knowledge and to enter into the heart. Samsara dava nalalita loka tranaya karunya gana ganatvam praptasya kalyana gunarnavasyam vande guru shrim charanaravind. Mahaprabhu Kirtanritya Geetam Vaditramarjan Manasurasenam Romanchakampa Shrutaranga Bhajam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Chaturvida Shri Bhagavad Prasadam Swatanadriptam Haribhakti Sangam Kritvaiva Triptim Bhajatat Sadaiva Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Shri Radhikama Davyurapayo Madhurya Leela Gunarupanam Pratikshana Svadanalolupasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Shri Vigraharam Dhananityananam Shringaratam Mandiramarjanadam Yuktasya Bhaktam Shaniyunjatopi Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Jayo no Kratkeli Siddhain Yayali Vidyukti Rapekshaniyam Tatrati Dakshya Tativallabhasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Sakshat Haritvena Samasta Shastre Yuktastadam Bhavam Yathena Sadbhim Kintu Prabhuya Priyaiva Tasyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Yasya Prasadam Bhagavad Prasadam Yasya Prasadam Nagati Kutupim Dhyayam Tuvam Tasya Yasya Trisandhyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Shri Guru, Sadhguru is like an auspicious cloud giving us Bhagavan. Sadhguru is always lovingly engaged in the service of Bhagavan in the Nama, Bhagavan in Sri Vigraha, Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. He is every moment relishing the seva to Bhagavan and relishing the Nama Rupa Gunalila of Bhagavan. Sadhguru is Radhika Priyasaki, is Krishna Kripa Sri Murti, but personification of mercy of Bhagavan. So in this way, the mercy of Bhagavan is coming through Sadhguru. Shri Guru Pyo Namah. Shri Guru Charanam Padmam Kevala Bhakati Satmam Banamuyi Savadana Te Jaharam Prasadem Bai E Bhavatoriya Jahaim Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaham Hoite Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chitate Koriyakyam Aranam Koriho Manim Asham Shri Guru Charaning Rati Aise Uttamam Gatim Jai Prasadi Puri Sarva Asham Chakshudam Diluchi Janmi Janmi Prabhu Singh Divya Gyan Hridaya Prakashito Prema Bhakti Jaha Hote Avidya Vinasha Jate Vedagaya Haracharito Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Madhama Janara Bandhu Loknath Lokera Jivana Prabhu Koro Daya De Amore Padachayam Epijashko Shutri Bhuvana Srila Prabhupada Patita Pavana Guru Devo Yilo Sharanam Jaya Prabhupadam Jaya Prabhupadam Jaya Prabhupadam Srila Prabhupadam Jaya Guru Devam Jaya Guru Devam Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Devam Shri Guru Pyo Namah Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chittata Kuriya Aikya. So jnana can be there, but when Guru Mukha Padma Vakya becomes one within Chitta, then that jnana will become Vijnana. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripasindhubhyev cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo. All the Vaishnavas like these are fulfilling trees. I bow down to all the Vaishnavas who are dear to Krishna, taking the dust from the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera padaduli tahe mora snana keli tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama dhanamora nityanandam patimora gaurachandra pranamora yugala kishora Vrindaya Tulsi Devi Ai Priyai Kesavasya Krishna Bhakti Prati Devi Satyavati Namo Namaha. We are brought to the groves of Vrindavana by the mercy, by the mercy of Sadhguru. Tulasi Krishna Priyasi Namo Namaha. Radha Krishna Seva Pao Eya Bilashim Eto Mara Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi. Kripa kori koro taring Vrindavanavasim Muraya Bhilash Vilas Kunja Deovas Nayani Hari Bosadam Yugalaro Eni Vedana Dharum Sakirano Kata Kurum Sevadi Karodium Kurum Chadasim Dina Krishna Dasi Hoi Eyena Mora Hoi Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sadai Basim Yani Kanicha Papani Brahmahatiri Kanicha Tani Tani Pranashyanti Pradakshina Pade Pade तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दं किञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसीं करन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभमक्षरचुषम् अपि चित्ततन्वो चेतोदर्पणमार्जनं भवमहादावाग्निर्वापनम् श्रेयकैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधू जीवनम् आनन्दाम्बुदिवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृतस्वादनं सर्वात्मस्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्णसङ्कीर्तनम् नाम्नामकारि भूतानि च सर्वशक्तिः तत्रार्पितानि यमितस्मरणेन कालम् एतदृशी तव कृपा भगवन् ममापि दुर्दैवमिदृशमिह जनिनानुरागः त्रिनादपि सुनिचेन तरोरिवासहिष्णुनम् अमानिनामानदेन कीर्तनीय सदा नदनं न जनं न सुन्दरी कविता जगदीशकामये मम जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वरे भवतां भक्त्या हेतुके त्वयि अयि नन्दतनुजकिङ्करां पतितां मां विषमे भवाम्बुधं कृपयां तव पादपङ्कजं स्थितधूलिसदृशं विचिन्तयामि नयनं कलतश्रुधारयवदनं गद्गदहृदया गिरं पुलकैर्निचितैर्वपुकद तव नाम गृहणे भविष्यति युगायितं निमिषेण चक्षुषा प्रावर्ष्यायितं शून्यायितं जगत्सर्वं गोविन्दविरहेण मे आश्लिष्य वा पादरतां पिनस्तु माम् आदर्शणां मर्महतां करुव यदा तथा विदधातव्यं पठो मत्प्राणनाथस्तु स एव न परम्. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshastakam given by Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna increase day by day.